Assalamu alaikum everyone and hello, hope you are well. It is such a lovely day today and the sun is shining. It's not too cold, luckily enough. Yeah, even though I'm working, but I couldn't resist myself to come out of the house to have some fresh air. Everyone is so happy. As you can see, the people are running, jogging, like moms with the babies. They are out for the walk, dog walkers. Everyone is out, even if it's for a day. I guess the time has taught us to be very grateful of everything around us, no matter how minute it is. Hey, look at this lovely squirrel. I think looking for some food. Sadly, I don't have any peanuts because whenever I've got the peanuts on me, which I bring for squirrels, I never see the squirrels around, and I just wait for them. They never show up. But today, like this, I can see the squirrel, but I don't have any peanuts on me. This is the busiest part of the park where the kids are enjoying all the swings and like moms and, but you can see the cafes are all closed. So, oh my God. I must say, this is the beautiful scenery in this park where the blue, clear sky, warm rays of sunshine touching you, even though it's winter, but you're not feeling very cold. And this flock of birds is beautiful. बने हुए अंदर लाइक कॉन्फिडेंटली वो करते हैं और टर्न करते हैं. Really enjoyed my walk. Now it's time for me to walk back home because I'm really hungry now. After this walk, I have to go home and prepare my lunch as well. For lunch, I'm making this mung bean sprouted salad, which I have sprouted myself. I will keep it really simple. I've added a few spoons of sprouted beans. In that, I've added chopped tomatoes, green chilies, onions, and now I'm adding some salt. And then I'll add a spice which is called chaat masala, which is like a special spice, but you can skip that if you want. And now I'll add some red chili powder, cumin powder, and then I'll add some freshly grounded black pepper and I'll mix it, and then I'll add some lemon juice. And there you go, voila, my bean sprout salad is ready. I've put some yogurt and tamarind chutney, and it's easy, simple, and sprouts are highly nutritious food, and they're a source of protein and vitamin C. So, and it was easy to assemble as well. It's already 9:30. I had really had a long day today. Just quickly making golden latte. That's turmeric milk, and that will be my last drink of the day. So I can have this and enjoy something on Netflix. So I'm going to show you how I make my golden latte. So I've got just 1 cup of milk boiling. I'm adding like around 1/4 of teaspoon of turmeric. Fresh grounded black pepper, just very little. And just very little you need the cinnamon powder. If you are a cinnamony person, then you will certainly like cinnamon taste like me. Okay. I have used green tar, but you can use any milk you want. So just stir it and bring it to boil. You have to put some desi ghee. This is the desi ghee which I made it at home. This is my homemade desi ghee. I'm going to put like 1/2 teaspoon. It's already done, so I'm just going to golden milk is now ready to be served. This golden latte has been a part of Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. The health benefits of golden milk are linked to turmeric and its active ingredient, which is called curcumin. I hope I've pronounced it correctly. And pairing this golden spice with black pepper can boost its benefits. And there's a long list of benefits, and one to mention, especially for this time, is it is very nourishing and it can boost your immune system. I'll enjoy this drink now, and if you have enjoyed this video, then please like, comment and subscribe, and see you next time.